Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I'm here to show you a DIY art project I've been doing. But I have other art projects. I am also DIY art projects I am working on to give myself a um let me say a Z Gallery feel and thing, and I just love this piece. So what you will need is the E6000 glue. You can use the white E6000 glue or the clear translucent glue as well. You will also need to go wherever you can find these at. I'm going to pull this out. This is the got this from Amazon. And this is a rhinestone crystal AB. I remember AB stone sheet um, and thing. Um, so make sure if you're going to, I'm going to say make sure you have a box cutter or a cutter for this. And I used a box cutter and it turned out great. It gives you different edges and stuff. So yeah, so that's that. And those things, those sheets on Amazon are about $12. I'm going to give you a sample of what I have done because of that first one I did like this. I have so much of that left that I'm going to do some more of it, and I'm going to add them somewhere. So if you can, I don't know if you can see this. Let me see. If you can see this, you might see it better when I show you the canvas. This is how I cut them. I cut it down like this. All right. Yeah, that's just one I have to go back and glue back down. But yeah, and I think it's like mostly I was inspired by just the brand Z Gallery, and I said if Z Gallery designed this, I think this is what it would look like. So it's not nothing I seen from Z Gallery. It's just the brand name because it's Z Gallery and everything. I did something that I think that Z Gallery probably would have did sooner or later. I just did it first. So this is what it looks like. It's a painted white canvas. At first, this was a black canvas, so I spray painted it and thing. And yeah, and then using the white E6000 glue, I actually glued the pieces on. So yeah, do you like it sideways or do you like it this way? So comment below. But yeah. So yes, that is all I have for you. Until the end, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.